to the mix, and on the mix today we have Michelle. Now Michelle is talking about her own marriage, and she's saying that we should always put our kids first and ourselves first before we put anyone else. And so she's saying that she put herself first and her kids, and then after that is anyone else that falls into place. But she's also saying that sometimes you have to make the decision to make it out to be the best for your kids. Because when kids are involved in your marriage, you have to make sure that everything is working out for the best for both kids, for your kids, to ensure that they grow up knowing, having healthy boundaries and knowing what a healthy lifestyle is. So, she's talking about that. So go ahead and check out the video, and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel as always, and have a wonderful day.
Alright, morning. We're going to have a quick conversation before we reach the people and walk. Let me tell you something. You see, me believe in a second chances. Right? I believe that people make mistakes. And because I believe that, I believe in a second chance. We give you a second chance. You mess up the second chance. So me a yammed after me give you a second chance. You see, the third time, the disrespect louder than the love you have for me. And so when I realize that, I know what me need for it. There's a strong black man. There's a savage. I don't want no man take me for a clown. He's not a clown. You understand? You see, anytime a man hurt you so badly and you start questioning your self-worth or your self-esteem there under your foot bottom, a time for cut. You hear me I tell you? Because that can really damage your legs. I mean, I'm going to make no man do that to me over and over. Yes. Yes. Do I understand? So when children involved, it's difficult? Oh yes. Oh yes, my dear. I get it. I understand. And sometimes we fight to keep the relationship or the marriage together mainly because of the kids that you look on. We move past that stage there. Move past the stage because I love myself more than how I love the man. You understand? Me love myself more than how I love the man. And I love my kids more than how me love the man. And me know say me sitting in something that is unhealthy, right, is not setting a good example for my kids. And I want my kids them to grow up and know say you don't tolerate nonsense. You understand what I say? Don't do it. Right? Like I say, I believe in giving somebody a second chance. But I don't believe in excessive disrespect. You understand? You have no regards for me nor your family. So me make the conscious decision to walk away. You understand? Like I said, I love myself. That's why I said, don't look on somebody's life and think you know about their life. People just grow up, right? They know how to communicate, them sit down, them talk to them one another, right? And in the end, they decide, yeah, you know what? It's me not married to you, and I can't have the married life, but just I got married to the kids then. So, and my husband was married to the kids then. They are here. And we've created, I've always said this, we've created a happy and safe environment for my kids. I'm very open with my children, right? I don't sugarcoat nothing. I don't hide anything from them. They are growing up, in a world where they'll see everything, they'll learn, they'll understand. And in no time, they're going to be off living their own life. Don't let your kids stop you from living your life and being happy and being free. You understand? It's one of the worst things for them to grow up and know that you sat down in something, right? They're going to grow like that. They're going to think that that's the way for them to be when they encounter certain disrespect. That's not what I want to teach my kids. You understand what I'm saying? So, this is just my advice to anyone out there. Say, don't look on we because you see a ring on our finger. You understand? We know the reason why we keep wearing we ring. And not everything we are going to come and tell you. You understand? The people in our life know what's going on. You hear what I'm saying? The man when we live with know what's going on. My kids them know what's going on. My family know what's going on. We have to do things for us. I always say I live for myself and my family, not for the public. You understand what I'm saying? That's why I'm saying not all that glitters is gold. Don't see somebody with them big rock on their finger and end for them for it. You don't know why they have the big rock on their finger. You understand what I'm saying? Right. I say I would never judge people for their choices and their decision they make when them sit down in a marriage. You understand? But I'm not one of those persons. You understand? If me married on paper, my heart not married no more. You understand? Me married on paper, but my heart not married. I'm married to my children them. My husband married to children them. But we love one another, we respect one another, and we ride for one another. You understand? And we always rate your husband. Until that day come, when it's time for us to depart. You understand? Then so be it. But for now, our kids are our life. You understand? And we do everything. We go out to dinner. We do everything together. Family trips, everything. Because they are important. I don't want them in a broken home. Not because me and him were broken. I mean, say, them have to be a part of that brokenness. People need to start have communication and sit down and be smart. You put your kids first. You don't need to argue and cuss and fight and they back and forth and whatever. You made a mistake. You have to make your bed. What you want? You want to stay in here so and raise the children together? Or you want the out on the street? You want me to run up and down in a court and a fight and a tug and war or whatever? You ready for that life there? You can't manage it. It's not easy, you know. Which one you want? What you want? Choose. You understand? We made a choice. You understand? We made a promise to our children. And that's why I'm going to tell them I go home to my beautiful family. It is a beautiful family. It doesn't mean because we're not together, it's not beautiful. It is beautiful. It is beautiful because there's love. And now there's respect because nobody can disrespect me. You can't disrespect me, so I'm happy as a Larry. But you want to see me come on social media, I look tired and pop down. You understand? I still have to get up and go out there. Right? Go to school, study, do all of these things, housework, and then make away them in my house. I'm not going to look like how everybody is going to look. I have a natural hair. I just drag on anything in my house. I don't have to impress nobody. You understand? There's nobody to impress. So, I have to worry. So, oh, Lord Jesus, I'm going to cheat on me because you look how she's done. I experienced something like years ago. Years. And everything good for eat, good for talk. I do things in my own time. But me is a strong female. And me is a savage. Me not take disrespect. You understand? Me not take that disrespect. So, me experience it, and as I say, I give people chances. But you not take me for no clown, because my grandparents and my mother never raised no clown. Alright, circumstances sometimes where we sit down in a certain things, but just once you get the chance, you're bold. That's me, gone.